The definition that I like for sales, for selling, is you're helping somebody else make a decision. That's really what you were trying to accomplish, is you're not really trying to get them to buy. And if you can get out of that mindset that I want this person to buy, but instead say, I want to get to the point where they're making the right decision. And ultimately, if they're making the right decision for you, for themselves, they're probably making the right decision for you in the long run. I mean, I know you personally, you're quite selective about who your customers are. You'll very quickly redirect someone that I'm not a right fit for you. And so, that ultimately becomes very liberating for the person doing the selling as it were, is you're out of that mindset of like feeling like I have to make something. So one of the things I like to do, and it's in my book, is I have this one chapter that's called Killing the Deal. And I think at various points in the conversation, you want to bring up objections and see if they're real. If they're real, then you don't have a deal. If the objection is something that the customer can help you overcome or help themselves overcome, then now you're on the same side of the table helping them make that decision. So I think one of the things I would say to free someone up from the idea of being in the pressure of selling is every now and then bring up a reason why it's not going to work. Hey, I'm sitting here with you, and one of the things I'm hearing is this, and that suggests to me that this may not work for you. And what that does is it causes the person, your prospect, to think through how real that problem is. And the truth of the matter is, most solutions aren't perfect. There are always trade offs. And so you make decisions based on some level of trade offs. And if you're working with someone who's straight up with you and who's looking to see where things might not work, that's an indication that you're working with someone who you can probably work with a lot more easily, with a lot more trust.